Hi everyone and welcome to week 4 of Writing 213. Sorry for the late video, I just got in from traveling to Fairbanks for work. So this week I've posted in media 2 articles I'd like you to read that will help you think deeply about your career research project. You may but are not required to cite these in your paper. You'll have to log in using your UAA username and password to access them for free via the consortium library. The other major thing that you have due this week is a draft of your career research project. And I'd like you to turn that in by Saturday the 24th at the very latest. And that will give me a chance to respond to it and give you some feedback ahead of next week's peer review. So next week you'll share your draft with others in the class to get even more feedback. Remember, a draft is not a final product. It's partially completed, it's messy. It can include questions. You can even leave, comments for your reader. You could, make bulleted lists or, put in subheadings and tell your reader, in this paragraph, here's what I plan to do. Some of that pre-thinking is really important in moving your draft forward. What I'm looking for is something that shows me that you're moving in a productive direction and that you will be ready to share with your peers next week. I'll also answer any questions and maybe give you some advice when I read your draft. So I look forward to reading those over the weekend. Be sure to let me know if you have any questions. Take care, everyone.